Hello friends, I am Akash and you are watching my channel Fast Knowledge. First of all, I say that please subscribe my channel because when I am upload a new video, you get very soon. If my video is helpful for you, then after like my video. So let's our class start. Please stay on the end of the video. In today class, I discuss about the reflection, some terms connected with the reflection and the laws of reflection. First of all, we discuss about reflection. So what is reflection? The bending of light in some medium. The bending of light in some medium after striking the surface of an object is called as reflection. That means when the light strikes the surface of an object, then it reflects or its path is bent towards the same medium where he comes from. That bending process or the deviation of light is called as reflection. So in reflection there is a need of a reflecting surface and a medium. So overall look over the reflection. The bending of light in some medium after striking the surface of an object is called as reflection. So consider this line is the reflecting surface and AO is the incident ray and OB is the reflected ray and ON is the normal. O is the point which is formed by the incident ray and the striking and the reflecting surface. O is also known as point of incidence or incident point. So XY होची reflecting surface, OB reflecting ray, ON होची normal, AO incident ray, I होची angle of incidence and R is the angle of reflection. After reflection, we are discuss about some terms connected with reflection. So there are 7 terms connected with reflection. That is incident ray, reflected ray, normal, reflecting surface, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. First of all, we discuss about incident ray. So what is incident ray? The ray which is approaches to the shining surface is known as incident ray. जो ray shining surface और reflecting surface को approach करुची ताकू incident ray कहा जाए. Then after reflected ray. So what is reflected ray? The incident ray strikes the shining surface or the reflected surface and then bends towards its original medium or to the same medium where he comes from. So the deviated ray is also known as reflected ray or the ray which is departs away from the shining surface is known as reflecting surface. Then after normal, it is the perpendicular drawn to the shining surface at the point of incidence. First of all, we have to know that what is point of incidence, where the perpendicular, where the normal is drawn. So the incidence ray strike the shining surface at a point, and this point is also known as the angle of is also known as point of incidence or incident point. So in this point we have to draw a perpendicular and the perpendicular is also known as normal. Then after reflecting surface, the shining surface is also known as the reflecting surface where the incident ray bends its path. Then after angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? It is the angle between the incident ray and the normal ray. The incident ray and normal ray. The angle between the incident ray and normal ray is called as angle of incidence. It is denoted as I, small I. Then after angle of reflection. It is the angle between the reflected ray and normal ray. It is the angle between a reflected ray and normal ray, and it is also denoted as r, small r. Then after we have discussed about laws of reflection. There are two laws in reflection. First law is that the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence all lie in one plane or the same plane, and that plane is perpendicular to the reflecting surface. According to the first law, the incident ray and reflected ray and normal ray are lie in one plane or same plane, and that plane is always perpendicular to the shining surface or to the reflecting surface. Then after second law, the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection. That means the angle between incident ray and the normal ray is equals to the angle between reflected ray and normal ray. These are the two laws of reflection. Thank you to all subscribers. Like my video. Thanks to all who is subscribe my channel. Basically Lulu Bhai, who is the part of the channel. Subscribe my channel for watching latest video.